What are your favorite fruit trees for self-sufficiency? I live in Idaho 6B. Right on. Say, North Idaho. That's a beautiful place. It's very similar to where I am, especially in that northern little sliver, that top of it. My favorite fruit trees are Gala apples. My favorite fruit to grow, period, is raspberries. They are so easy in our climate to grow, and they're so effortlessly abundant. We've already frozen. I'm not kidding you. We're July 23rd today. We've already frozen 30 pounds of mostly raspberries. And so we're still eating every day. My daughter's like picking like gangbusters in there, and my son's learning too. And they're amazingly abundant. And then now we're coming into goji berries. Like I have 4 goji berry bushes here. My one in the backyard's massive. They're starting to produce. Golden raspberries are amazing. I'm really liking our gooseberries. Those are really good. I love grapes. Grapes are amazing. But yeah, apple for good stone fruit, apple. Plum's an easy one. Plum's kind of like the easiest fruit you can grow, and it rarely has pest problems in our climate.